All right, we also have Rahul Shah, who is joining in of Motilal Oswal. He's got some futures and options strategies and cues. Beginning of the series. Rahul, thank you for your time. Would you mind starting with the Nifty first, if there is anything one can do there?
I think we've been seeing that in entire July series we saw good amount of long built up in Nifty, and which we are seeing the same momentum in overall markets in August series as well. So my sense is where still we have a highest open interest in put side at 8500. So it looks like that, and technically also 8520 looks like very support zone for Nifty. If it breaks, then only we can see Nifty. One should avoid longs. But till that time, I think on the higher side, if you look at the call option, open interest at 9000. So enough room for the upside in a near term. So my sense is one should go long. First immediate target should be 8800 levels or so. 88 to 30 is my first level, and then maybe we can look at beyond that. So I think one should go long in Nifty. That's what my sense on Nifty.
Okay, what would your stock specific strategies be? Let's start with the pharma space, Sun Pharma.
I think we've seen the large cap space entire showing some kind of momentum, and as well as the Nifty heavyweights. So we've seen some good momentum in ITC, some momentum in Reliance, and now we've seen again the rotation coming into pharma space in Sun Pharma. So the stock has been laggard for quite some time. So now we've seen some action, longs getting created. So I feel Sun Pharma with a low risk, one should go long in it. So with a stop loss of 825 and target of 870.
Which are the others? JSW Steel, PFC?
I think again steel, entire commodity metal pack, if we look at Jan till date, they have done quite well. So I feel post numbers we saw some correction and profit booking maybe in JSW Steel. So it looks quite attractive. So the best way is to participate through call options. So I would buy 1700 call, which is quoting around 56.47. Keep a stop loss of 40 and target of 80 in that. Second is PFC. We've seen entire NBFC space getting re-rated, and we've seen a lot of momentum in most of the NBFC space. Even in PFC also, we've seen in last month we saw good amount of action. So we would buy 230 call, quoting at 7 rupees or so. Keep a stop loss 5 and target of 15 in that.
And IOC?
Again, in oil and gas pack, I think OMCs have outperformed and it's continued to do well. So in that pack, I continue to like IOC. So I would buy IOC with a stop loss of 530 and target of 580.
Okay, fair enough, Rahul. We're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and bringing us all of those F&O strategies. We will take a break with the news that the Nifty is in fine fettle. 8692 is